Okay guys, we got a 17 cruise here. I'm gonna do we're talking about different methods of doing back glasses. I'm gonna do the taco fold on this thing. But I do mine different than other folks. I leave the liner on it. I'm just gonna show you. I may look green as I go. We're doing this because I tinted the windshield a couple of days ago, and I hadn't tinted the windshield in a long time. We tinted the windshield yesterday, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And I hadn't done it in a long time. I don't like peeling on the back glass, but to do this, to show you what I'm doing, that's why I'm peeling on the back glass. But I prep it real good around here. You have a risk chance when you're spraying this window of something run out of this, but we prepped and cleaned and got all that good to go. I do a taco fold on one. I'll just fold this over like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and drag it on over like this. Where I reach this side so I ain't gotta run back and forth. I'm gonna fold this over. When we say taco, the reason we say that is I'm toting it like this, and it looks like a big old taco. See, I'm gonna unfold it one round. I'm gonna lay it like this. I'm gonna unfold it again. Laying this out here, this out. And it's like I say, this is, if you're getting in a tight situation on a car, or like me, I can't Frankenstein anymore. I done got too damn fat. That's just the bottom line. I'm gonna take this and slide it back just a little bit. Last one more time. It's almost just like doing Frankenstein. And I always have a spotter out there if it's has a high deck on it to let me know if we have a gap. And I'm gonna take a geyser, and I always lock it down in the exact format that I shrink it on the outside. Just like that. I'm gonna take the bulldozer. I'm gonna go behind the brake line. A lot of folks have trouble with the bulldozer. The way you work it, I've done that. You let it go up against the glass, you slide it back out. That way you don't risk pulling your film back up. You snatch it back out while you got tension on it, you're gonna pull the film up. Like one more pass behind it, you double sure there's no water trail. We all good on fingers back there?
Yep.
Alright. I'm gonna take this part, go up in the center and lock it. I'm gonna continue my twist this way. The reason I like to do the top first and push it to the sides is so you don't flush any liquid up in the top and force say like bunch of trash or whatever to come down. Take this over. It's like this. Ease it up, just pass the film. Don't slam it. Just like I say, you can cause a floodgate there to push trash out. You ain't got it on that thing. Don't try to focus it and zoom it and let it do its thing. Come right inside and look at this. This is a bulldozer. This is the new bulldozer, ankle bulldozer. It's gonna take the place of my bulldozer on some cases. It's got a sledgehammer blade on it. It's tapered. It's a pretty cool little outfit. But I'm gonna show you how it works versus this. It'll really push the water up. It's got that hard blade on it. so wide it won't contour the edges. This wasn't designed to go behind brake lights and all that stuff. It will. I can put it behind this one. That's not what it was designed for. This one was designed for maximum distraction, and it's hard to get to places. Not tight places, but long reach is hard to get to places. That's how you do it. This is the back one after the taco fold.